Hello viewers, Instagram GIF option not showing problem. Okay, let's start. Fix this problem. First, go to your phone settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Now find Instagram account. Tap on Instagram account. Tap on storage. Tap on clear cache and clear data. Tap on permission. See your app permission enable. Go back. Now go to your Play Store. Update Instagram app. See your Instagram update latest version available. Now open Instagram account. Now tap on Instagram notes. See your Instagram notes GIF option showing. See your Instagram GIF option showing and working. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.